I do a lot of housework every day and sometimes feel frustrated. But by asking a couple of simple questions to myself, most of the time I can calm down and start doing my housework with a positive attitude. Let me explain. I'm a freelancer and have been working from home for more than 20 years, so I have the luxury to spend time with my children. Another luxury I have is I can do all the housework. My wife works at her office on weekdays, so I do the laundry, clean 2 bathrooms, cook, wash the dishes, take out the trash, go grocery shopping, dust, vacuum, and more. As you know, each one of housework is time consuming, and most of them you have to do every day. It would be very nice if you could finish a week's housework on Sunday, right? But the reality is your children won't eat until they become hungry. You cannot wash their clothes until they get changed. Your family member use bathrooms every day. Housework takes time and patience. Let's talk about laundry. I do a lot of laundry every day because there are 5 people in my family, myself, my wife, and 3 children. Every morning I run the washing machine. After it's done, I unload the washer and take clothes to balcony to sun dry them. Every evening, I take those clothes inside the house. Totally, I spend about 25 minutes just for doing the laundry. But I still have other housework chores too. When I'm busy or tired, I feel frustrated. Then, to calm myself down, I look at a pile of clothes and ask myself, whose clothes are these? Most are my children's. Okay, then why their clothes are here? Because today, all my 3 children are living here, healthy and active. That's why their casual wear, sportswear, and school uniforms are here. I should be thankful that my children are fine today. Also, I should be thankful that we can live together. I watch world news a lot and find many heartbreaking stories about parents who are separated from their children for various reasons. In some areas, many children are missing, detained, abducted, hospitalized, or even killed. Their parents are so desperate. In other areas, children are fine, but mass unemployment forces many parents to leave their children behind and walk abroad to support their family. They cannot see their children either. I live in Tokyo, where many kids are killed by careless drivers. Every day, I'm worried about my children's safety. But thankfully, today my children are fine. Also, I've got a job here so we can live together. When I realize how fortunate I am, I can naturally calm down, stop complaining, and start doing my laundry with a positive attitude. How about other housework? I have to cook and clean 2 bathrooms. But this means my children's digestive systems are working normally. That's why they become hungry 3 times a day and sit down on the toilet every morning. I shouldn't take my children's health for granted. I have to dust and vacuum, but this means we have a house, right? In 1995, my parents' house was demolished by the earthquake. Miraculously, they were rescued from a collapsed house with no injury, but they had to live in a very small temporary housing for 1 year before they built a new house. It cost them a lot of money and patience. Losing a house is a serious problem. Today I have a house. I appreciate it. Doing housework every day is very hard, but I guess every cloud has a silver lining. Each housework chore gives me an opportunity to remind myself of how fortunate I am. The minute I ask simple questions to myself, I can calm down, stop complaining, appreciate my current situation, and keep going. How is your housework going today? When you feel frustrated, how do you successfully deal with your housework? Please let me know by commenting. I want to learn from you. Thank you very much for watching. Let's enjoy our housework. Bye.